Alright guys, so I got this question from a subscriber. Let's listen to it.
Okay, what I mean is that can you do a video on how to post reels on Facebook page? Because I've been trying to post reels on my Facebook page, but I'm not seeing that reel option. But if I go to my main profile, I the reel is there, but it's not in my Facebook page. So I want to know how to post reels with Facebook page, not with my main account. That is what I mean. That is what I meant, sorry.
Okay guys, so as we all heard, she asked me to do a video on how to post reels on Facebook page. Before I go into that video, first I want to tell us that for those of us who are using Facebook Lite to operate Facebook, you cannot post reels with Facebook Lite. That is the first thing you should have in mind. So with that said and done, let me now go into the video and teach us how to upload reels on Facebook. Alright guys, so on this video I'm going to teach us how to upload Facebook Reels both on personal account and on page. Also, I'm going to teach us how to upload Facebook Reels using Meta Business Suite and also their web version. So let's go into the video. First, to upload Reels on your account, all you need to do is to log into Facebook. So I'm going to log in. When you are logged in, you will see create reel. Look at it here. Just tap on create reel and it will take you to your gallery, and here you can select any video that you want to post and upload it to your reel. So this is the first step. The second step to post on a page is you are going to come back, and I'm going to log into my page. Alright, now so I am logged into my page. Also on my page here you can see the create reel button, but in most cases if you don't see this, if you don't see it, come over to this three column here. When you come to this three column, you are going to click on reels. Look at reels down here. You click on reels. When you click on reels, you can see this camera icon up here, so just tap on the camera icon and it will take you into your gallery, and here you can upload any reel that you want to upload. So these are the two ways to upload reels both on Facebook account and Facebook page. So let's go over to Meta Business Suite. Let me teach you how to upload through Meta Business Suite. All right, to post on Business Suite app, you are going to download this app right here is Meta Business Suite. That's the name, or Business Suite, on Play Store or Apple Store. So when you download it, you are going to open it. Alright, so I am logged into my Meta Business Suite. So once you are logged into the page that you want to post reels on, you will see create reel here. You see reel. Once you tap on reel, they will take you straight to your gallery, and here you can upload any video you want to upload. So to post through Facebook web, that is the mobile version of Facebook, I normally use Opera Mini. This is the browser I use. So any browser that you are convenient with, just go to the browser and open it. So when you open it, just type in business dot facebook.com and you are going to enter the website. Alright, so when you log into Facebook web, this is the interface you're going to see. So I'm logged into my page, so I'm going to zoom. At the top here you will see create reel. Look at it here. I'm zooming it. So you see create reel, just click on this create reel. So when it loads up, look at add video here. So this is where you will click and add your video. The caption reel here is where you put the title of the reel you want to create. Look at it here. So tap on add video and select the video you want to upload from this media picker down here. Alright, so allow the video to load till 100%. It's still at 5%, so allow it to load. So the video has finished uploading. It's 100%. Look at it. It's 100%. So you come down here and click on next. Guys, so once you click and come to this next page, if you want to add music to your reel, just select any music here and add. But if you don't want to, come down and click on share, just share, and your reels will be posted online. So this is a complete guide on how to post reels both on Facebook, on Meta Business Suite app, and Facebook web version. If you have more questions about this, if there is any place that you are stuck, just drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to respond. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Keep creating.